Is your ductless mini-split system not cooling or heating like it used to? Weak airflow, unusual noises, leaks, or inconsistent temperatures can all be signs your system needs repair. That's why homeowners in Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional ductless mini-split repair. Our experienced technicians carefully diagnose the issue to restore your system's performance quickly and efficiently. From refrigerant problems and clogged filters to electrical issues and airflow concerns, we handle a wide range of repairs. We use professional tools and proven repair methods to help extend the life of your ductless system. In no time, your system is back to delivering reliable comfort and energy-efficient performance. The result is a more comfortable home with dependable heating and cooling year-round. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we provide honest recommendations, quality workmanship, and reliable service. Restore your comfort with expert mini-split repair today. What are common signs my mini-split system needs repair? Signs include reduced cooling or heating, unusual noises, water leaks, weak airflow, unpleasant odors, and higher energy bills. What causes ductless mini-split problems? Common causes include dirty filters, refrigerant leaks, electrical issues, frozen coils, clogged drain lines, and worn components. How quickly should mini-split issues be repaired? Repairs should be addressed as soon as possible to prevent system failure and avoid more expensive damage. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.